Hello, today we're looking at Ubuntu Budgie 17.10 Alpha 2, and this is one of my favorite operating systems in the world, and absolutely one of my favorite of the Ubuntu flavors. So I'm excited to look at it with you. Of course, I will not click on everything, but I made a video in my other channel. You can find a link to it in my blog, which is right there in the description of the video, where I show you videos and things and download links of all the flavors for the Alpha 2 release, and also a link to my other video about Budgie. So if we look at this welcome screen, I think this welcome app, Budgie Welcome, is one of the best welcome apps out there, and I think the only one which might be better, and most probably is better, why isn't it working, there we go, is the Ubuntu Mate welcome screen app. So basically this is what I love about it is all inside of it. So it's not just links. Yes, there's links to take you to other places, but you can have a good summary. It's not overwhelming, and it gives you a good summary of Ubuntu Budgie and what it's all about. And that's what the welcome app should be. It should be easy to understand, enough thing to start off with, and not too scary. Like, you are greeted with the screen when you boot up for the first time, and there's so many cool things here. It gives you your system information out of the box. As you can see, it's what we're running, kernel 4.11. I'm running this in VirtualBox with, that's my processor, RAM, and everything about your computer in a little nice feeling, and I absolutely love it. You can install browsers from here. It tells you if you had updates. What I love about this version of Ubuntu Budgie, there's so many, they just made it in general looking much better. It became a flavor last year, so 70.4 was the first official releases of Ubuntu flavor, and they've grown from that. They've just grown and grown and grown. So just look at this. Previously, when we click on it, it just took us to the GNOME Software Center, but now it's Budgie Applets, Software Center, Snap Apps, and Flatpak apps. I've never seen something so sorted out. If you click on it, it takes us to different stores. Isn't that how you want it? Isn't that exactly how the world should be like? It takes a while to open up, all of them, but isn't this the way the world is supposed to be? Because just look at this. You get your GNOME Software Center, great. I was blown away when I made my other video, and I'm still blown away. Yes, it's just an app to the website, but they've added in the welcome screen. How cool is that? And you can just download anything from here. High five, guys. That is absolutely stunning. And Snappy, exactly the same. Isn't this perfect? Yes, just a link to it, but man, why doesn't anybody else do it? And also the default setting, this is basically the different layouts. They started off in the previous release, and think before also, and there were some errors, but they just added more layouts. Absolutely love it. Think it's a great idea. And I'm so proud of these guys for doing it. They are making something which I have not seen before, and this app I'm sorry for sounding a bit blown away, but of course I'm blown away. They've got an online store now, so please buy something from them. And of course it takes you a link to their store, which is awesome. Or support them also. And one other thing I really like about the store, most of the other stores I've seen, welcome apps I've seen in the past, got this box ticked by default. Budgie does not. So it only shows it to you once, and then you have to click to open it up in the future. I love it. And you can keep things in dock and you can undock them. They use Plank, if I'm not mistaken. And you can move this, yes, it's Plank. I wasn't planning to show it to you, but great that I showed it to you. My other KDE video, sorry for that. Preferences, that is what I wanted to show you. You can change this Plank as in many ways you want. You can put it anywhere you want. You can, yes, you can go crazy. Let's keep it here, as I think I like it on the left. As you can see, your GNOME Software Center works. This is based on GNOME. It just shows how beautiful GNOME can be. Files, it's all the latest, the greatest which GNOME got to offer, which is awesome. And LibreOffice 5.3.4.2, I believe. Chromium by default, not Firefox, which make them different than the rest of the flavors, or most of the flavors at least, which is never a bad thing if you can pull it off, and Budgie can pull it off. Absolutely. So as you can hear, I'm quite a big fan of this operating system. It uses the Budgie desktop environment. If you right click on the desktop, this is just a terminal. So you can change the background, but there are also the 17.4. And so it's pretty simple stuff. The menu is the brisk menu. Very nice menu. I love the brisk menu in Ubuntu Mate more than the one in Budgie. Simply, and don't kill me because I love Budgie, for the simple reason, in the Mate brisk menu is an off button and all those buttons also. That's the only reason. I know it's something small, but I would like it. I love the icon theme. That's all the default stuff, and I really enjoy it. The system settings, as this is based on GNOME, it's GNOME. Settings. And so I won't bore you with the details, but I will just go to details. GNOME 3.24.2. I believe, as I said, stock Ubuntu will run GNOME 3.26 when the final release, and I can't see why Budgie won't. Also, here's a link to the time and date settings calendar. As always, the calendar looks absolutely delightful. And preferences. As you can see, it looks stunning. Loving it. And no indicators at the moment. I guess that's where will be like Dropbox and things like that. Here's your internet. A shortcut to go to your files. Your volume. You can change it with your mouse. Off button and all the options. And lockout also. And here's the other thrill of magic. notifications, system settings. As you can see, you can do so much, and I love it so much, and I think it's absolutely worth your time. And I just want to quickly log out before we finish up this video. I love it. I can see how I will install it on my workstation. I can really see that. And yeah, even this is looking more beautiful. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you also feel in love. And see you later and goodbye.